measurement. We can arrange the pencils by comparing them. Pencil A is the longest and pencil D is the shortest. But if you are asked how long is the pencil A and pencil D, what will you do? We need to measure the length. Let us discuss about measurement and its need. Measurement and its need. In our everyday life, we need to measure many things. You would like to know how tall you are and how heavy you are. When you go to the market, you tell the shopkeeper how much sweets you need. When your mother buys vegetables, she checks whether she is getting the correct weight. Also, you would like to know how long it takes you to reach the school and how long it takes for one period to get over. Determination of size, duration, or amount of something is called measurement. Measurement is expressed as a quantity and its unit. For example, if the length of a pencil is 7 centimeter, 7 is the quantity and centimeter is the unit. There are different devices used to measure different things. Also, there are different units used to measure different quantities. Milk is measured in liter, apples in kilograms, and height in meters or centimeters. Let's know more. Earlier, people used to measure length with the help of their forearms, cubit, hands, handspan, feet, or paces as shown. As the lengths of the hand and the foot are different for different people, the length of a particular object measured by them used to be different. So the idea of standard measurements was developed. Measurement of length. Length is the measurement of how long an object is. Width, height, and distance are examples of lengths we measure. How long things are is called their length. How wide things are is called their width. How tall things are is called their height. To measure small lengths, such as length of a pencil, a small thread, a comb, a book, we use simple ruler or meter rod. To measure the length of a room, we use a measuring tape. Standard unit of length is meter. It is written as m. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeter, cm, and millimeter, mm. Long distances are measured in kilometers, km. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Suppose you have to measure the length of a small wooden piece. You have to measure it in this way. Step 1. Take a small ruler whose 0 mark is clear. Step 2. Put the ruler lengthwise with the wooden piece in such a way that left end of the wooden piece coincides with 0 mark of the scale. See the given figure. Step 3. Put the eye exactly above the point of the right end of the wooden piece where the measurement is to be taken. From the figure, the reading is 5 centimeter, cm. Thus, exact length of the wooden piece is 5 centimeter. Measurement of capacity. Volume is the space occupied by a liquid or gas. Capacity of a container is the amount of the substance it can hold. The standard unit of capacity is liter, L. Smaller volumes are measured in milliliter, ml. Water, juice, milk, soft drinks, and hair oil are the liquids and are measured in terms of milliliter or liter. The volume of these liquids are measured using measuring cylinders or measuring cups, which are marked at regular intervals to allow us to measure. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Measurement of mass. Have you seen a vegetable vendor measuring the amount of the vegetables in the market? The total amount of matter present in an object is called the mass of that object. The object that has more mass is heavier. We get an idea about how heavy or light an object is by measuring its mass. Mass is measured with the help of a balance. Different types of balances are used to measure mass of different types objects. The standard unit of mass is gram, G. Heavy objects are measured in kilograms, kg. Lighter objects are measured in milligrams, mg. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. In a balance scale, weights are placed on one pan. The things to be weighed, such as vegetables, rice, and others, are placed on other pan. Items are removed or added till the weights of both pans are same. Nowadays, digital weighing machines are in use to measure weight of various things. Measurement of time. In earlier days, people used to keep a track of time by watching the movement of the sun, the moon, and some fixed stars in the sky. Then sundials were invented to measure time during the day. The sand clock or hourglass was made to measure time duration. Later, pendulum clocks, quartz clocks, and digital clocks were invented to measure time accurately. Time is measured in seconds, minutes, and hours. The standard unit of time is second. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. There are 3 hands in most of the clocks. The short and thick hand reads hours. The long and thick hand reads minutes. The longest and thin hand reads seconds. Digital clocks directly display time in numbers. A stopwatch can be started or stopped by pressing a button. It is used for measuring accurate time duration in sports, such as in a 100-meter race. Measurement of temperature. Temperature tells us how much hot or cold an object is. Thus, it is the degree of hotness or coldness of body. The device we use to measure temperature is called thermometer. The commonly used units for temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Thermometers are of different types, such as maximum, minimum thermometers, laboratory thermometer, and clinical thermometers. Maximum minimum thermometer is used to record highest and lowest temperature of the day for the weather report. Laboratory thermometer is used to record temperature of the things used in laboratory. Clinical thermometer is used to measure temperature of the human body. Clinical thermometers are of two types: mercury thermometer and digital thermometer. In a mercury thermometer, the mercury column rises up when it is kept under arm or tongue. In digital thermometer, temperature is displayed directly in numbers. The normal temperature of human body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius.